on this video today, I'm going to show you a copy and paste strategy that you can use to make up to $3,000 per day as a complete beginner using AI tools. This method that I'm about to show you does not require any skills, it does not require any experience, and the best part is that you can use this method to make money from home wherever you are in the world without investing any money. So make sure you keep on watching till the end, because I'm going to show you several opportunities that you can use to earn money from home. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. So now let's get into the details. The first step is that you are going to come on this website, moneypantry.com. This particular website has a lot of different opportunities that you can use to make money from home. As I scroll, you can see many opportunities that you can use to make money from home. You can see 81 legit ways to earn money online. You can see another article here that is going to show you 150 legitimate work from home jobs hiring right now. You can see there's another article right here, 49 high paying online surveys sites to earn extra cash. You can see right here there's another article right here that is going to show you 70 ways for college students to make money. As I scroll, you can see a lot of different opportunities that this website is showing you so that you can use them to make money from home. So as I scroll, you can see many others. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to search for a simple way that we can use to make money. Just come right here and then type get paid to write. So something like this, get paid to write. If you search for something like this, you are going to get a lot of different sites that are going to pay you to write articles, to write poetries, to write different things. So just click on search so that you can find those websites. Once you click on search, you are going to see a page like this. As I scroll, you can see right here, this is an article that is going to show you 11 sites to get paid to write about what you love. And you can see right here, some of the websites are willing to pay you up to $1,085 per article that you post. When you scroll down, you can see there's another article right here, 4 ways to get paid to write lesson plans. If you're a teacher, you can click right here so that you can find out how you can write lesson plans and get paid. Apart from that, you can see right here, you can also get paid to write resumes online. You can see right here, you're going to be earning $28 per hour. You can see right here, this is another article. When you scroll down, you can see 51 legit ways to get paid to write reviews. When you scroll down, you can see get paid to write 101 sites that will pay you from $50 to $3,000 per blog post. As I scroll down, you can see right here, get paid to write poetry, 35 sites that pays for poems in 2023. So when you click on that, you can get the websites that are willing to pay you to write poems. You can see right here, there are a lot of different opportunities that you can get on this website. If you click right here, page 2, you are going to get a lot of different opportunities that you can use to make money online. And you can see right here, there are even up to 37 pages. If you click on next, you can see many other pages that are going to show you many ways that you can use to earn money from home. In this case, what we are going to do is that we are going to choose writing. We are going to write a blog post so that we can get paid per every blog post. So we are going to come right here and then click on this particular article. So just open this particular article. So to open it, you can click right here, continue, so that you can read everything about it. Once you click on continue, you can see this is the full article. So let me scroll down for you to see the details. You can see right here, this particular website is willing to pay you $150 per post. You can see this one is going to pay you £220 per post. You can see it right here. Let me scroll down for you to see. You can see right here, this particular website is going to pay $50 to $200 per post. So let me scroll down for you to see. You can see this particular website right here, you can earn from $150 to $700 per post. You can see this particular website is going to pay you $1 per word, and you can see this one, the payment is unknown. So when you click on it, you can get to know more about the website. You can see this one right here, you can earn up to $100 to $450 per post. There are many others that you can see, so it depends on what you are interested in. You can see this one right here, you are going to be paid up to $900 per post. You can see it right here. So what you have to do is that you have to scroll down so that you can find the category that you can write about. You can see right here, site that pay you to write about general interest. So if you don't have a specific interest, you can choose the general one, and anytime you write, you are going to be paid. You can see this one right here, vibrant life. You can be paid $100 to $300 per post. You can see it right here. So when you scroll down, you can see many other websites. You can see this one is going to pay you 0.35 cents per word. So let me just scroll down for you to see. You can see many other websites that are going to pay you to write. You can see right here, These websites, they are willing to pay you to write short stories. So you can see this one right here, the payment is unknown. When you scroll down, you can see many other sites. You can see this particular site right here, you are going to be paid from $500 to $1,380 per post. That is the payment that you are going to earn per every article that you write. You can see right here, this particular website is going to pay you $1,600 per story that you write. You can see it right here. If you are interested about politics, news and entertainment, you are going to scroll down and then come right here. You can see this particular website is going to pay you from $200 to $225 per post that you write. You can see it right here. So as a scroll, you can see different websites that are going to pay you. The Sun magazine, you can see it right here, they are willing to pay you up to $2,000 per post. You can see this one right here, The Nation is willing to pay you $150 to $500 per post. So what you have to do is that you have to just scroll down and then pick the one that you are interested in. You can see whatever that you can write about, you can get a website right here to pay you to do so. You can see if you want to write about jokes, you can see there are websites that are going to pay you. You can see this website is going to pay you from $50 to $200 per post. So just scroll down and then select the one that you want. You can see a whole lot of them. You can see different websites that are going to pay you to write articles. You can see this particular website right here, you can earn up to $3,000 per article. So anytime you write one article, when your article get published, you are going to be earning $3,000 per one article. You can see it right here. As I scroll, you can see many other websites. So now what you have to do is that you have to select the category that you want. You have to select any of the websites that you want so that you can write an article, submit it and then get paid. For example, if you want to write for this particular website, you have to just click on it and then follow their submission guidelines. Once you click on it, you can see right here, these are their guidelines. You can see you must write up to 1,000 to 22,000 words. You can see it right here, and they're going to pay you 12 cents per word. You can see it right here, and your payment can be received through PayPal, check. International authors can receive their payments through wire transfers. You can use Payoneer to receive your payment. You can use Wise Transfer to receive your payment. So if you are not from the United States, you can use the wire transfer to receive your payments. When you scroll down, you can see many details about the guidelines. So what you have to do is that you have to read about the guidelines so that you can submit an article that will be accepted. You can see the guidelines, so make sure you go and read more about it. Once you read more about it, you can then submit your article and you are going to get paid. Apart from this website, you can come back and then search for a different website so that you can also submit an article and then get paid. You can see many of them. For example, you can also click on this particular website, Guide Post. So just click on it so that you can also submit your articles here. As you can see right here, Guide Post, this is their writers guidelines. So you have to also read about their guidelines. Once you read about the guidelines, you can begin to submit an article onto their platform. You can see everything about what they expect from you if you want to write an article and then submit to them. You can see everything. So now what you have to do is that you have to write an article so that you can get paid. You can use AI tools to write the content for you. For example, you can use this particular AI tool, GoCharlie.ai. This particular tool helps you to create content. So if you want to write, you can use it to write any content that you want. So what you have to do is that you have to click right here, try for free, so that you can use it for free to create any content that you want. In this case, I'm just going to log in to my account so that I'll show you step by step on how to use this particular tool to write content for free. To create an account, just click right here, sign in, sign up. So just click on that so that you can sign up for your free accounts. Once you click on sign up, you're going to enter your email, enter your password, repeat your password, but make sure your password meet all these requirements. Once your password meet all the requirements, you are going to click right here, agree with the terms and conditions. Once that is done, you are going to click on create so that you can create your free accounts. So I'm going to log into my account so that I will show you how to use this particular tool to create content for free. Once you create your accounts and log in, you are going to see a page like this. So now what you have to do is that you have to begin writing. To write an article, you are going to click right here, writing trick. So just click on that. Once you click on that, you are going to see a page like this. Just click right here, blog wizard. Once you click on that, you are going to give a title to your blog post. In this case, I'm just going to demonstrate for you to see. But what you have to do is that you have to come and then search on all these websites that you are seeing. Search for the one that you like. If you want to write about traveling, you can do that. You can see many sites that are going to pay you to do that. So just select the category that you want. Once you select the category, you can then come back and then write your article. So you have to select the kind of article that you want to write about and the website. Once you do so, you can then write the article using this particular AI tool. In this case, I'm going to write a guide post. I want to show people how to decluster their homes. So I'm going to type something like 4 ways to decluster your home, something like this. 4 ways to decluster your home. So you can just type something like this. Once you have your title, the next step is that you are going to select the tone. You can select inspirational, you can select persuasive, curious, optimistic, pessimistic, sarcastic, whatever tone that you want, you can select that. In this case, I'm going to select inspirational. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see right here, target audience. You have to enter the target audience right here. In this case, I'm targeting mothers, so something like this, mothers. Once that is done, you are going to enter the keywords. You have to enter the keywords that are related to your article. So let me type something like decluster, let me see, home improvement, something like this. Let me see, cleaning. So just type any keyword that is related to the article that you are writing. Once that is done, you are going to click right here, fetch blog topics. So once you click on that, the doc is going to be running like this. Just leave it. It is going to fetch the content for you. As you can see right here, the content has been fetched. You can see it right here. If you like it, you are going to click right here, fetch blog outline. Once you click on that, you can see right here, this is an outline of the article. You can see everything. So what you have to do is that you have to read through. If you like everything, you can click right here, proceed to overview. So just click on that. Once you click on proceed to overview, you can see all the information that you entered is here. If there is something that you want to edit, you can do so before the AI writes a complete blog post for you. In this case, there's nothing for me to edit. So just scroll down. Once you scroll down, you are going to click right here, fetch blog, so that it can write a very useful blog for you. As you can see, it has generated a complete blog post for me. You can see everything. You can see the blog post. You can see everything. This is an AI. It is not perfect. So what you have to do is that you have to read and then make corrections. Once you make the corrections, you can click right here, copy. Once you click on copy, you can see it has been copied to my clipboard. Once you copy your article, you are going to come back to the website that you selected, click on it, and then follow the submission guidelines so that you can submit your article and then get paid. It's just simple as that. So make sure you select any of these websites and then use the AI to generate the content. Once you generate the content, you are going to read through, make corrections before you submit your articles. So you have to open the websites and then get to know the type of content that they want before you generate it. You don't have to generate the content before you look for the website. Look for the website, read through their submission guidelines, read through the type of content that they want before you generate it with the AI. Apart from GoCharlie.ai, you can also use ChatGPT to generate content like this. For example, when you come on ChatGPT, you can also generate content like that, and you are going to be paid anytime you generate it and then submit it to the website. Let me just paste the title right here. Once you paste the title and then click right here, go, it is going to write the content for you. You can see right here, it has begun writing the content. You can see it is going to write a complete article for us. What you have to do is that you have to wait for it to generate the blog post. Once it generates it, you are going to read it and make corrections so that you can submit it to any of the websites that you have selected. Once you have submitted your content, you are going to be paid. So make sure you go and take action so that you can be making money with this particular strategy. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.